Hello everyone! This video is for people preparing for the TOPIK II exam. As you probably already know, TOPIK II has a writing section. For this part of the test, you are required to write on this squared paper called Wongoji. This can seem a little strange if you are not used to it, and there are some rules for writing on Wongoji that you need to know to avoid losing points on the writing section. Basics. Leave the first box on the paper blank and leave a blank box at the start of each new paragraph. Write one character per box. Try not to touch the edge. Leave one space between words. If you reach the end of the line in the middle of a word, continue it on to the next line. If the first box of a new line should be a space, but it's not the start of a new paragraph, do not leave a space. You can write a V at the end of the previous line to show where the space should be. The only time you leave a blank box at the start of a line is when you start a new paragraph. Punctuation. Punctuation marks get their own box. Question and exclamation marks are written in the center of the box. Commas and periods are written in the bottom left corner. Leave one blank box after question and exclamation marks. Do not leave a blank box after periods and commas. Avoid starting a new line with a punctuation mark. If necessary, put the punctuation mark inside the last box of the previous line. Ellipses use 2 boxes and have 6 dots. 3 per box. Do not leave the next box blank. If you're writing a dialogue using quotation marks, start each set of quotation marks on a new line and leave the first box blank. The quotation marks should be written in their own box. Numbers. Single numbers get their own box. Longer numbers go 2 to a box starting from the front. For example, 150 would be written 15, 0. 2024 would be written 20, 24. Latin alphabet. English capital letters get their own box. Lowercase letters are 2 to a box. That's it. You are almost ready for the TOPIK writing test. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video, which will be about the rules for Korean spacing. See you soon!